Today we are going to unbox the Karl Fischer Titrator and show its accessories and how to use it. First of all, we get the microprocessor Karl Fischer device, bottle accessories, a micropipette, and some other accessories. We also get the titration vessel, a brown reagent bottle, a solvent bottle, a power adapter, and some pipes and cables for printer connection. This is the electrode. And again, the micropipette. And this is the most important item, the Karl Fischer solution, along with its user manual. Please make sure to read the user manual before using the device. It's very important. Now, let's set up the device. First, connect the power adapter and turn on the switch on the left side of the device. Place the titration vessel in the sensor compartment. Place the reagent bottle and the solvent bottle. Connect the input pipe to the reagent bottle, which I've already done. Now take the stirrer and place it inside the titration vessel. Then, connect the electrode, as shown. Now, place the nozzle in the titration vessel. Connect the input tube into the vessel. You also need to place silica gel in the solvent bottle to get accurate results. In this video, I'm not using it, but you must use silica gel during actual operation. Now, check the back connections, the pipe from the reagent bottle, and the electrode cable, should be connected as shown. When the silica gel bottle is attached, connect it to the support base, as shown in the video. If the solution is not flowing through the pipe, open the pipe from the back once to make sure there's no blockage. Now take methanol and pour it into the titration vessel. Always use only methanol. Never use any other liquid. Add methanol only after inserting the electrode. Now we will fill the Karl Fischer reagent in the reagent bottle. Important, once you open the Karl Fischer solution, it must be used within 14 days. After that, it may not work correctly and will affect your readings. Fill the reagent bottle carefully, according to your requirement. Be cautious, this solution contains harmful chemicals. Handle it carefully and keep away from children and pets. Now switch on the device. Adjust the stirrer speed and let it slow down until the bubbles in the methanol disappear. Fill the nozzle, take it out. Press the air clear button, then enter. The Karl Fischer solution will start flowing through the pipe. Wait until the pipe and vessel are filled. Press escape once done. Now place the nozzle back in the titration vessel. To perform a mesial, press button 2. The mesial process will begin. Wait until the process completes. You'll hear a sound from the device indicating completion. Then press escape/pause. To start calibration, press button 3, then button 1. Select the calibration factor as shown in the video. Set the time, I am selecting 10 seconds. Now take a sample using the micropipette. I'm using water in this demo. Place the sample into the titration vessel and press enter. The process will begin. Wait until it completes, a beep will confirm completion. Press the increase button. Repeat the process. Now take a sample using the micropipette. Place the sample into the titration vessel and press enter. The process will begin. Wait until it completes, a beep will confirm completion. Press the increase button. Add the sample. Press enter. Wait for the beep. Now to view the result, press enter, then again enter. Press button 4. Enter the password, 5236. Press enter, your reading will appear on the screen. To analyze a sample, press button 1 for analysis. Select your sample type. Enter volume and density. For water, both are 1. Press enter, then set the time, e.g. 10 seconds. Press enter. If you are using a blank, enter its volume in ml. If not, keep it at midnight, and press enter. Place the sample in the titration vessel and press enter. Wait for the process to complete. A beep will confirm it. Now, press enter. Enter the batch number and save it. Press escape to exit. Now press button 4 for settings. Press button 1 and enter password 5236. You can view your previous readings. Press button 2 to enter the print menu. Press button 3 to print the batch number. Press button 2 again to see all saved readings. Press escape to exit. After use, it's important to clean the unit properly. Always clean with methanol, never use water or any other liquid. Remove the pipe, dip it in methanol, and run the clean function. Once the methanol has flushed the pipe and nozzle, press escape. Transfer any unused reagent to a waste, BAPS, bottle. Reagent must be used within 14 days of opening. Clean the reagent bottle and keep it covered. Apply silicone grease to the nozzle after cleaning to prevent sticking. Wash the titration vessel with methanol only. Never use water or distilled water. All accessories must be washed using only methanol. Conclusion. That completes the entire Karl Fischer setup and operation process, from unboxing and connections to calibration, analysis, and cleaning. There are also other advanced methods not shown in this video that you can explore as per your requirement. Thanks for watching.